race teams and the broadcasters. But I think the product that NASCAR has put on the track and we've been able to deliver to your homes has been pretty terrific during this pandemic. We have live sports. That's a great thing to cheer about for everybody, and we've had some really good racing.
Yeah, and I look forward to seeing how other sports approach it and you know, what they put in place, because NASCAR, I was part of some of these meetings, not just on the broadcasting side, but on the team side of